Good morning to respected jury and assembled audience. I am Paridhi
and I Lakshita. We are from Mahatma Hansraj.
So today we are gathered here. I would like to have a little chit chat with you about topic the climate changes and impact of pollution and global warming. So why basically climate changes? Climate changes is a natural phenomena that changes. But here we are going to talk about some basic effects due to which the climate changes. The number one is pollution. What is pollution? Pollution means the introduction of harmful material in environment. Here the harmful material means the pollutants. The pollutants could be anything, any kind of harmful gas like methane, carbon dioxide or sulfur or nitrogen. Next, there are the three types of pollution. Number one is air pollution, water pollution and the noise pollution. Now the next topic is global warming. Global warming means the eventual heating of land and the change in atmospheric conditions. So global warming also changes the environment, environment as well as the climatic conditions. Climate changes refers to the long-term shifts in the temperature and the weather patterns. These shifts may be changed occur in the centuries or in the decades pattern also. The human activities are responsible for these basic climatic changes. Now let's talk about how climate and why climate changes. First, now I would like to call my companion Lakshita to proceed further.
How affects the climate? Loss of sea ice due to glacier melting of glacier and ice sheets, and more instant heat of waves. The recent increases in greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. Now I would like to call my companion Preeti to proceed further.
Hey, I'm back again. So let's talk about how to overcome these problems. So as global warming is a very great problem, so we need to solve it so that we could secure our future or our future generation also. So first point is to use of renewable resources. What are renewable resources? So renewable resources are the resources that can be renewed or replenished in a short interval of time. So we need to use some resources that are renewable. Second point is encourage afforestation. As we all know that deforestation causes the global warming and pollution also. Trees are the filters or the green lungs of our earth. But if we are cutting trees, then not directly but indirectly we are harming our environment and climate change, and it also causes climate changes. So we need to follow and encourage the afforestation. Third point is reduce the use of exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources are the resources that are going to finish or that couldn't able to replenish, and it takes a lot of time or decades or centuries to come back in environment. For example, the soil, water, or any resource, etc. Third point is promote carpooling. So here we are talking about as we could satisfy our normal needs. If, for example, we have to move from point A to B and we have to cover only a short distance, but for that only we use cars or bikes. But we can use, for example, we can just travel that distance by walking or bicycle. We can also use bicycle. And that's it, that carpooling. Carpooling means that in that car, in a single car, we could easily able to adjust more 6 to 5 persons.
I would just like to finish with some words. Earth provides enough. It satisfies. No, not man's made, but not man's great. Thank you for your concentration.